Hi, what's up everyone? My name's Mickey and welcome to my channel. Today I decided to do a makeup look. I should say inspired by myself because I'm just recreating what I've done in the past. It's a pink, orangey, huge. It's a pink, orangey cut crease. You will notice that I don't have any base makeup on because I don't wear makeup outside other than as a hobby. If you want to see how I do this makeup look, keep on watching. Hi. I think I've already done the intro. Let's start with the makeup. You guys have already seen the makeup look probably in the thumbnail. I haven't. First, lip balm. Because my lips are dry as a Sahara. As you may notice, I don't wear base makeup. I know, shocking. But I don't go out with makeup, so I don't really need a base makeup, but I will use my concealer if I can find one. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer. This has a reddish tone. Use a dense, fluffy brush. The reason why I conceal my under eye is because I don't want the dark circle to ruin the final product of my makeup look. It's really important because the purplish, bluish dark circles can sometimes be a powerful color against the makeup look that you've already done. Since this is going to be a very vibrant look, I will recommend you also put the concealer as a primer on your eyelids. If you already have a primer specifically for your eyeshadow, use that. But I don't, so I'll use my concealer. Oh, I forgot to do my eyebrows. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna set the concealer and the primer with powder, setting powder. For that, I'll use a fluffy brush. Don't swipe it. You don't want the concealer to move. I said don't swipe and I did exactly what I said you shouldn't do. If you want a perfect makeup look, don't do what I do. If you want a perfect makeup look, don't do what I do. I'll use Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. They have a very big, they have a black shadow in their palette. I'm gonna use that. Bam! Now I'm gonna put on my contacts, so be right back. Put contacts on before you do your makeup so that you don't get any kind of powder or mascara in your eyeball stuck with the contacts. You don't want that. You'll probably go blind. It's not good, for sure. For the eyeshadow makeup, I'll start off by using the palette is called the Magic Mini by JVS. I'll start off with the color Kogi. It's a very peachy pink. Hi, it's voiceover Mickey here. So at this point, I forgot to tell you guys that we are laying down the color as the base pink color. Lay the color at the outer corner of your eye into the crease. Blend it out. So the main thing that we're doing here is we're putting down the most pigmented color at the outer corner, and then it gets softer as you get into the inner corner of the eye. And now we're doing the exact same thing on the other eye. Never start off with like a brush full of product. You'll regret it. You can put more color, but like it's harder to take the color away. So what's important is that after you lay down the color, look at your face to see if they're like symmetrical. So in my eye, you can see that this eye it's not blended as far as this eye has. So I'll do just that. So the palette I'll be using is from the brand Beauty Bay, and it's their Rainbow 42 matte color palette. I may have said it wrong, that's why I'm voice-overing it. I'll be using this orange called Heat Wave. I'm going to blend outside of the pink so that it's like a transition. It's like a gradient from pink to orange. What we want, you can see the transition. I have to be really careful because I don't have much eyelid space to work with. So I forgot to tell you again. What I'm doing now is that I am reinforcing the pink back in, because after I laid down the orange and blend it, the pink was almost gone. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm feeling my oats. Now is the fun part, and the scary one too. The brush I'm using is from BH Cosmetics. I forgot the name of the collection. Probably eye brushes collection or something like that. What I'm gonna do, if you have concealer, use concealer. But I am going to use face paint. Okay, the face paint that I'll be using is from Made Paradise, white. Why do I use face paint? Well, I started off makeup with face paint. I use face paint to do eyeshadow and whatnot. I got used to the consistency of face paint on my eyeball. So now I'm just very much comfortable with it. If you have double eyelid like me, follow the line. When you look up, you can see there's a line. Follow that line. If you're mono eyelid, look up here, look up, dot where you want the crease to go, and then look up and then fill it in. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Okay, this is the trick. If you have double eyelid or monolid and you look up, your makeup look will be ruined because the face paint's wet. I'm going to set it. I'll use a white eyeshadow. I'll go back with the pink. After I put down the white face paint, we needed to blend the pink or else it's gonna look very harsh on the eye. You can kind of see like a gradient. I'll do the same thing to the other eye. Back. I decided that I want yellow at the edge because the orange alone is not that pigmented. I'll use this color called Hello Sunshine. On camera, I don't know, but like in person, it kind of made like a tiniest bit of difference. Why the fuck you lying? Now, I'm gonna do the bottom lid. Do the same thing, but in a tiny scale. Like I said, we're gonna do it in a smaller scale. So we're gonna start with the pink at the closest to our lid, and then we're gonna gradient it to the orange and the yellow like on the upper lid. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my lashes. I don't go out of my room, so I'm pretty sure that nobody who's affected with the virus has touched my stuff. Curve the mascara wand so that you get more product. Oh, I forgot to do the bottom lashes. And I also put on false lashes to like that effect. Very wispy actually. These are huge.
That's what she said.
Now I'm gonna put on false lashes and I'll be right back. I just realized that I wasn't filming the entire time that I was putting lipstick on. Oh my god! Or highlighter. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I'll explain you what I did. So I used this liquid lipstick from MAC called Feel So Grand, and I use this dark brown shadow, tap it all over the lips while pressing them until they're like even. So now it's like brick red. If you watch it till here, aw, thank you so much. So, if you like what you see, I will most likely do more videos from now on. I'll do videos like these makeup looks or Halloween makeup, because I also do scary, creepy SFX makeup as well. So if you want to see more of those, subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you like about this video, or what you didn't, or what you want to see later on, or what you want to know more about. I realized that I didn't do my eyebrows on camera, or put on false lashes on camera, or I forgot to do my lipstick on camera. If you want to see how I did all of those, comment down below. I'll do those videos. But I'll see you guys later. Bye!